Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in today's video we are going fishing. Woo!
Woohoo!
Today's video we have some special guests. My sister and my sister's friend. A whole bunch of ducks here and we're fishing and
I'm so good at it. I'll show you. You're live.
Oh! You guys didn't see nothing.
Think slow.
Ready?
Hmm?
Good job, Raina.
Oh wait, I didn't flip.
Yeah, see, it's tangled right here.
Hey, but it went pretty far. Brandon, we can just Photoshop you doing that.
I could get a bit. Already flipped, yeah.
Okay. You said it was split.
It is. Oh, Raina, relax.
Oh my gosh. This is precious footage.
Raina, flip it again.
I'm scared.
Just go sidearm. Like, you keep on getting tangled because of, you keep on putting it vertical.
Wait, do I have to flip it?
Yeah, flip it.
She's gonna hurt us.
Throw it. And then, Harry, flip it. It's okay, you'll do it.
She's so good.
Yeah, you got it.
She's really good.
Very good.
Stop. Okay.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, wait. Uh-oh.
You're supposed to hold it
Oh,
right
yeah,
now.
I forgot. Okay guys, so I'm sorry I didn't get a lot of footage for that video or for that part of the video, but like all I really did was just like fish and all that. But now we're gonna go get Taco Bell and like boba from Taco Bell and a boba place. We are done fishing, so yeah. Guys, we're at Taco Bell now and we're gonna get something. We're gonna do a little bit of a mukbang in the car. Guys, I got my food and now we have to do a mukbang. Hey guys, so I got a beefy melt burrito, so yeah, that's my favorite, so yeah. Guys, so we didn't end up getting boba, and this is a very, very short video. But yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, press the notification button, comment down below what I should do next. Bye guys.
Like button.
Love you.
Yeah.
Peace.